Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we will resolve one error that is no module named TensorFlow. When I'm running the retinal resist project, I'm getting that particular error. Okay, whenever I run the main file, let's open the terminal here and then write Python space main.py, then enter. So I'm getting that particular error, module not found error, no module named TensorFlow. So what we have to do first, we have to check that Python is installed or not. So for that, we have to click on the Windows key and then write edit environment variable, or you can check through control panel. So let's check through environment variable, that is Python install or not. Like Python is installed, Python 3.10 is installed, and also location already added. So let's check through that particular location. I'm just copying that particular location, or you can click on the edit, select control A, control C, okay, and cancel. Let's go to that particular location, click here and control V and enter. Okay, so you can see the Python 3.10 is already installed and you can check the script folder. Let's go back. Just close it. Try to install TensorFlow version, and you can also check through the control panel. Let's click on the Windows key and write control panel. Okay, then click on the control panel and click on uninstall program. So you can see that Python 3.10.11 is already installed as of 64-bit. Okay, let's close that. Right click here and click on open in terminal and then write pip install TensorFlow. Then hit enter. So it will installing the TensorFlow 331.7 MB. Okay, let them download. And if you have to check that TensorFlow is installed or not, so you can check the version as well. If you want to check the version of TensorFlow, then just write pip show TensorFlow. Then you can check the version of TensorFlow as well. So let them download. Hmm. Now let's check the TensorFlow is installed or not. So just have to write show TensorFlow. Then enter. So you can check the version as well. The name TensorFlow and version 2.20.0. Now, if you have to change the version of that particular TensorFlow version, so have to just write pip install TensorFlow is equal to 2.11.0. You can download any versions. So just have to write pip install TensorFlow is equal to 2.11.0. Then hit enter. So it will download that particular version which you have written. That is also contain 266.3 MB. So previously that will be the 2.20.0, and now we are downgrading that particular version from 2.20 to 2.11. Okay, let them download. Mm. It is also downloading the Keras version, Keras and few supporting libraries, and uninstalling the previous version of Keras. Also uninstalling the tensor board of any different version. So now downloading completed. So let's check the version of the TensorFlow. Pip show TensorFlow, enter. Now the version is 2.11.0. Okay. So if you want to uninstall that particular version of TensorFlow, so just write pip uninstall TensorFlow. Okay, just hit enter. So if you want to install that version, then just press Y or else N. N for no. Okay, just enter N. Okay. So this will be the complete video. And if you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're facing any type of error in any of the project, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. And if you're searching any type of project ideas in computer science domain in different technology like Python, Android web development, app development, or deep learning, AI neural network, then you can contact us. We are providing projects in different domains. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.